Good evening, everyone. My name is Kamei, and I'm a full-time musician based in Bangalore. And we have a percussion Goro here, and we have a Lucky and a guitar. We're gonna sing the next song. It's called Freedom. If you know the song, then please do join with us. Felt like the weight of the world was on my shoulders. It should ought to break or retreat at every toe. Facing the fear that I truth I've discovered. No telling how all this will walk out, but I've come too far to go back now. I'm looking for freedom, oh, looking for freedom, and to find it cost me everything I have. Well, I'm looking for freedom, oh, looking for freedom, and to find it may take everything I have. I know all too well it don't come on easy. The chain of the wall, they seem to move in tight. I try to walk around if I stumble and fear me little. Try to get out, but I doubt it's so strong. There's gotta be a wind in my bones. I am looking for freedom, oh, looking for freedom, and to find it cost me everything I have. Well, I'm looking for freedom, oh, looking for freedom, and to find it may take everything I have. Oh, not giving up has always been hard, so hard. But if I do the things that I won't get far. Life hasn't been very kind to me lately, but I suppose it's a push for moving on. Oh, in times the sun's gonna shine, know me nicely. Tell me good things are coming, but I am not gonna believe. Well, I'm looking for freedom, oh, looking for freedom, and to find it cost me everything I have. Well, I'm looking for freedom, oh, looking for freedom, and to find it may take everything I have. Okay. Thank you so much. Freedom.